Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is making a strange noise while in use, it could indicate a problem with the motor or a blockage within the system. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage, potentially resulting in costly repairs down the line. It's essential to address the problem promptly to ensure the longevity of your vacuum cleaner. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged before you begin. Start by removing the dust canister and the filters, as this will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them to reassemble later. With the screws removed, gently pull apart the casing. It may be slightly stuck due to the rubber seals, so take your time and avoid using excessive force. Once the casing is off, locate the motor. It's usually situated near the back of the vacuum. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. When you have found the motor, check for any loose connections or visible damage. If you notice any issues, gently disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Pay attention to how they are connected so you can reattach them later. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the motor free from its housing. Once you have extracted the motor, take your replacement motor and insert it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and reattach the screws securely. Reconnect the wires, being sure to match them to their original positions. With everything in place, carefully reassemble the vacuum by aligning the casing and replacing the screws you removed earlier. Once fully assembled, plug in your Dyson and test it to ensure the strange noise has been resolved. If all is well, you're good to go. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check for blockages in your Dyson SV17 and clean the filters as recommended. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum on very large debris that might damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.